Alright, super easy tutorial. Just click on your text, go to effects, this top bar here. On the left where it says style, you want to click the one that says outline right here. And then you click it and you can adjust the thickness. Wow. And you can change the color right here. You can choose from any of these colors or you can select add a new color. Just change it to whatever you want. I'm gonna go with the red because I like the blood of my enemies and stuff. I don't know. I'm kind of cringe. Um, yeah, you can do like a bunch of other stuff with it too. So just play around, just mess around. There's all these bars. You can make your text look like cyberpunky. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, bye. Bye. I'm sorry.